Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show y'all how I do my everyday makeup. So this is how I look every day when I go to work, or I'm just going out with my friends, like, you know, nothing too fancy, just normal foundation, mascara, not even an eyeliner. This is how I like to look, very natural, so-called. So if you like this look, so keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe below so that you get a notification every time I do my videos. Thank you so much. Way! Some people actually ask me, hey, you married already lah, you know, you got child already, why you still need to put so much makeup on, you know? And I'm like, so what if I'm married? Like, I dress up for myself. I want to look good because I want to feel good inside. I'm not dressing up for anybody else but for myself. So I'm not sorry I put on so much makeup. I'm not sorry at all. So here goes. So I'm going to start it off with using my primer. Today I'm using my my Smashbox primer. I've been trying to finish this for a very long time. I've been having this for over 2 years now. And do you know that it actually has an expiry date? It only lasts you for 2 years after it's been opened. So I use it every day just to finish up this bottle, and I didn't want to waste it. So I'm going to apply this a little bit all over my face. I'm using my Bobbi brown foundation stick. This is in color 4.5, warm natural. So I'm going to use this. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just tap it down. This foundation stick, I wouldn't say that it's like my most favorite because it causes my crease lines over here to really be very obvious. So I am trying to finish it up, so that's why I use it every day. I mean, like, it is 70 bucks, so I'm just trying to finish it up. I don't want to like waste it by not using it, so that's why it's my everyday makeup stick. Once I'm done with the foundation, I'm going to use my Sephora concealer. This is in color Almond, number 31. I like this more than the NARS concealer because NARS doesn't really have my color shade. All the colors that they have in NARS, at least the ones you can find in Singapore, it's all too fair for my skin. And when I tried the color Ginger, I felt that it was just so obvious that I'm actually wearing a concealer. That you can see there is like a very obvious color difference under my eyes. So I didn't really like that. So when I tried this, I really liked how it really perfectly matched my skin tone. So if you all cannot find your color in NARS, you can always check out this one in Sephora. And I also use this to highlight my face as well. So I highlight my nose spot. Like what I normally do with my normal concealers, I'm not going to go in all the way to the waterline as yet. I'm going to give it some time for the concealer to settle in first. So I am going to do my eyebrows. Today I am using my Anastasia. This is the Dipbrow pomade in dark brown. So I have just done my eyes, and I am going to use my beauty blender and move in the concealer all the way under my eye, under my waterline. I'm gonna use that Balance concealer from Miss Punch to just go over my eyelids like this. The reason why I use the excess to cover my eyelids is to cover the dark circles under my eyes so that the whole overall color looks more neutral. So today I'm going to use my Kat Von D Locket powder in peach color. This is in peach. I'm going to use my beauty blender to tap it. And you see, since I have the lines under my eyes, I need to just lightly tap it and blend the lines. Whatever concealer which has gotten into those lines, right, I just gotta tap it and blend those before I put the powder to set it. I am going to use my MAC Skinfinish Mineralise powder and just use my powder brush to just tap this powder onto my skin. I do not dust away the powder which I laid under my eyes as yet. I'm going to let it bake slightly. So once I've done this, I'm going to go use my Charlotte Tilbury's Filmstar Bronze and Glow. You can use any of your bronzer. So I'm just going to use my contour brush and just contour my face very slightly. So once you've contoured the outer part of your face, I'm going to use a smaller shading brush to contour my nose. I think I drew a bit too much, so I'm going to use my beauty blender and just soften the harsh line. Now I'm going to go back to my powder brush and just dust off. This is a clean face. I'm going to go back to my Filmstar Bronze and Glow and use my blusher brush and use this blush color and slightly dab it into my face. Then I'm going to use my Sephora Kohl pencil in brown and just line my under eye. Go in with my eyelash color and just curl my lashes using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to just... When you're using the mascara, right, so you must use the mascara in this zigzag movement so that you can really get the pigment from the mascara onto your lashes. This is my Sephora lip liner to line my lips. I use a lip liner even for daily use is because it really makes the lipstick really stay on for a very long time. So I do not need to touch up at all until like after I eat my lunch. So that's why I always line my lips. I line the inside of the lips as well because it really makes the lipstick stay on for a very, very long time. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC lipstick. This is in color Cosmo. This is like my go-to everyday kind of lipstick. As you can see, my son has digged out half the lipstick, but I still use it. And there it is. I've got an important step. So I'm going to use this spoolie and use my hairspray and then just go through my brows. Again, guys, these are sisters, not twins, sisters. So we're going to work with that today. So this is how I do my everyday makeup. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe below so you get a notification every time I post out videos. Yay!